Hey everybody, it's Dylan. I got myself a tiny little doggy, and so I wanted to get myself a tiny little leash for my tiny little doggy. Well, at least get her a leash. And so let's check this out here. So this one here is I wanted to get a super thin leash because this is what I'm going to keep on her while she roams around the house. So, and she's barking. So this is what it looks like here. So this is it. It's about, I guess, a 6-foot leash. And let me see what I got here. I got rubber bands. Got rubber bands all over it. Let's see. How am I gonna open this up? There we go. And then, yep, 6 foot, 3/8 inch by 6 foot. So this is pretty strong, actually. You could probably put a big dog on this too. It's not like it's gonna do anything. But for my little dog to roam around the house, to have this little leash following her around, I'll show you guys my doggy. Got her right here. I don't have a collar on her at the moment, but this will be what follows her around. So how cool is that? Nice little leash, and you can see it's got the good little clip on it. So we are good to go. I might cut the end off it just so this doesn't get caught on stuff, but super cool.